puppy. That must be what that pink thing was for. What's the puppy's name, Lucy?
Peppa.
Peppa.
He brought you Peppa.
Oh, she likes you.
He took care of the ball. He loves me.
I think it's a girl,
I think
Lucy.
it's a girl, sweetheart. It's
Ooh.
a girl.
She's very excited to see you. She's chasing you. Did she think you jumped? Careful, she's very small. Don't tread on her. Wow! What else has he brought? Wow!
Thank you.
Is that
Daddy.
Is that one for me? Thank you. Thank you, Lucy. Thank you, Father Christmas. What did you say, Mummy?
Thank you, Father Christmas.
Wow.
Thank you,
Oh, Lucy, look at your little puppy. Wow.
Oh, he brought you
He
one.
thinks you've been a really good girl, doesn't he? Lucy, he thinks you've been a really good girl, doesn't he? Because he brought you a puppy. But look what else he brought. That's alright. That's what puppies do. He'll just chase you and chase you.
She loves my slippers because she's a girl.
Yeah, she must like
And
pink.
she loves pink. That's why she's...
Lucy, do you like your puppy? Lucy, do you love your puppy? Lucy, do you love your puppy? She's lovely, isn't she?
Hey,
Wow.
look.
She's much faster than you are. Okay, alright, calm down. Lucy, look what else Father Christmas has brought you. Just look, Lucy, tell her to get down. Just say
Say Peppa
Peppa
no.
down.
What's for you? These are for me and Nana.
Do you wrap those?
And I got chocolate in for you and you.
Oh,
Thank you, baby.
So